Ladies and gentlemen, a gentle and serene welcome, as the tranquil and soothing sounds of nature. Our valued subscribers, the crew of the channel welcomes you to our channel. We are delighted to have each and every one of you here today as we embark on this exciting journey together. First and foremost, we would like to express our sincere gratitude for your support and for choosing to be a part of our community. It is your presence and engagement that motivate us to create and deliver high-quality content that we hope will entertain, inform, and inspire you. The continuous ticking of the clock, the fleeting moments slipping away, and the elusive nature of sleep create an ongoing cycle that seems never-ending. With the impending responsibilities of work or school the next morning, enduring another day of sleep deprivation is not a viable option. Nobody wants to stumble through the day like a lifeless being. Why not consider trying out this sleep sounds video? The soothing sounds of nature can establish a tranquil ambience in your bedroom. These sounds have the potential to sustain your insomnia. Nevertheless, the sounds of nature act as a protective shield, covering up much of that undesired noise. Consequently, they contribute to promoting better sleep. Experience the benefits of nature's sounds and kindly share your feedback, and don't forget your encouragement and support are incentives behind creating these useful videos. Wait for us.